Well, good morning, everybody. Kobe's and I are on our way to Flagstaff. Just got to get out of Billy's driveway here with a 40-foot bus. The goal was to get on the road before traffic, at least by 6. At least by 6. Right now it's 6:30. So hopefully we don't have to deal with too much traffic, but the one thing that I do know, as long as we make it to Flagstaff, we will be out of this heat. It sucks for me, but I'm sure it sucks even worse for Kobuk. And some timing's working out with meeting up with some people up there to work on some side projects. When I came in last time, it took me going back and forth a couple times to fit in here. This time it was just like parking backed up and made it, so I'm definitely noticing a difference in my driving with this thing. So I'm gonna open this gate. Give me a second.
Woke up with a black eye today. When they ask me why, I've got nothing to say. I've been seeing in black and white, having trouble telling wrong from right. Pick the bottle up and put the bottle down. Now I'm riding on a merry-go-round. I'm gonna get home in no time. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna rob you blind. Pointing and laughing and singing like ha 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 ha.
Just made it to a parking spot. I believe Anna meant when she said parking, just a place to park and hang out for the day, because everywhere here is no overnight parking. So I'm gonna jump online, figure out a place to park overnight here in Flagstaff. So it's a bit later in the day, kind of hear it in my voice. Kobe's and I just got done running. Right now, I think we're around 6,000 feet elevation. It was rough. Might be a combination of me being out of shape right now. Might be a combination of going uphill up there and also just the elevation. But getting back into it, towards the end I started feeling pretty strong. Kobe's did awesome, like always. He's a running machine. What I wanted to show you was how I was figuring out where I'm going to camp. And I actually got pretty lucky. So this is a website called campendium.com. That's campendium.com. And they have a bunch of free camping spots. And basically up here on the top right, you can go to free camping and then over to Arizona. That's where I'm at now. So this area here, this is Flagstaff. So where I'm camped at right now is down this road here, and it just so happens there was this spot right here, and it actually had amazing reviews. So you can click on it, and it will take you over to the page. The GPS coordinates goes into the access, the location, the cleanliness, the site quality, the noise, and then they actually have reviews. So this place has great reviews. It's one of the best reviewed that I've ever seen, but I'll show you why I'm still a little nervous to go here. So this is the same spot, just on Google Maps. So the only thing that makes me nervous is access up to the road, because on the reviews they mention that it gets bumpy. And the only thing I'm nervous about is this hairpin turn right there. And with Google Maps, you can switch over to satellite. So I'll go ahead and switch this over to satellite. So you can actually zoom way in on it and get an idea of what this road looks like. So that does make me nervous, but it looks like I can actually bring the bus wide around into there and then up. And then what I did is I followed this road up to try and see where everybody was camping, just so I had a little bit of an idea. We'll let this load. So now that that's loaded, you can actually see people parked up here to the left. You can see some of the pullouts and where people are going. One of the reviews said they had a 32-foot RV. That looks like a big travel trailer up there, or fifth wheel. That looks kind of small. So yeah, I was just kind of scouting it out, and it's literally right up the road. Like, it's a 10-minute drive probably. Like I said, the only thing that really makes me nervous is that hairpin turn. But like I said, it looks like I'll have the option to kind of go off-road there and make that turn, especially if the other vehicles are coming down. I think I'll be okay. Heck, might even be able to park right there. But that is a little bit of how I pick spots. Hopefully that made a little sense. I use multiple sites, then I'll go to the satellite view to get a better idea. Obviously, being that this rig's a little bit bigger, I have to take things to consideration, and eventually, hopefully we'll get to the point to where I could find a spot like that, fill up, go to Costco, Trader Joe's, whatever, have my tow car and just park up there and stay up there. That way I'm not always having to find new spots and figuring out stuff like this. So the video that I was going to do, we're actually going to film that tomorrow. And like I said, I'm not able to park here, so I'm going to get up there while I still got some light. Battery's been charging. No issues with the new mounts. It looks awesome. I'm super glad. Thanks, Billy from Nickel Handcrafted. I was his first client. His first paying client was me with Zep 1 back in the day. Now he's working on Zep 2. I just feel so incredibly lucky to have talented friends. I've been so incredibly lucky. This bus would not be anything close to what it is without my talented friends. And no shame in the game. I'll admit it. I'll admit it straight up. But yeah, I'm gonna get things ready. Gonna get this iMac put back into place, get the Berkey situated, get everything all put together. Oh, one thing I don't think I showed you is the finished top of the spice rack. Looks pretty darn good, especially when I get the paint done. Like, all the lowers this kind of grayish blue, and in the sun it looks more blue than gray. But once it gets a little bit darker out, it just turns almost like a straight black. I love that color. But yeah, gonna get this all cleaned up. Catch y'all when we head out. So, here we go. Almost had a IED. Almost forgot the propane tank. Forgot that I heated up some food and made some bison meat for Kobuk. I always try and put some sort of pure protein in there, whether it be ground turkey or bison or hamburger. Just sprinkle it on there. We're gonna see how this road goes. Wish me luck. Send out a prayer for me.
Woke up with some new friends today. All the ones I had before, she had changed.
So far the turn does not look too bad.
Screws get so loose that my mind it starts to shake. And it shakes and it shakes. From the couch down to the store. Now I'm spinning on the kitchen floor. I'm gonna get home in no time. While I'm around you blind. Pointing and laughing and singing loud.
built the bus, spots like this is where I was planning on parking for 2 weeks to a month. Didn't really turn out that way, but not yet anyways. Alright, explore this spot.